Yes, Massive Crew, back once again with another video. And I've been checking out a lot of the comments today. I just wanted to say thank you very much to everybody for helping us out with this Scsi. It's really good to have so many people, you know, hit you up with support and stuff. But unfortunately, so far, I've still not been able to get this going with Windows 7. Been a bit of a long night, folks, but yeah, we're still cracking on and we're trying to get this thing sorted. Now, I'll give you a little heads up, a little bit more information into where we are with this. For those of you just tuned in, we're trying to get Recycle to work with Windows 7. Now, if you have a look over here, I've got Windows 7 Professional Service Pack 1. Now, someone did actually mention try to download Service Pack 2, the latest Service Pack, so I'm going to try that. And also that's on the list. Now, these other Aspi drivers I've got here, I've got these two drivers. One is from Decinet and the other one is from Acronis. Now, I've been taking these drivers and putting them into Recycle folder. Mesa doesn't work. Mesa's not having none of it. My actual Akai at the moment is on Akai it's on Scsi ID 6, which is my host is on Scsi ID 7. Now, if you have a look here on my computer and go to Device Manager, you can see here that the Akai and the card are actually installed. Okay, look, storage controller. This is the card. Adaptec AHA 2940U PCI Scsi controller. And then if you go under other devices here, we have Akai EMI S3200Xl sampler. So it's been seen, right? Now, when I run Translator, as we can see here. Oh, and by the way, I'm running 32-bit because 32-bit seemed more compatible with everything else that I was doing at the time. Right, so I'm going to run Translator, and at the moment my Akai lights are flashing on my, because I have a compact flash reader on here, and it's got multiple drives on here, and each one of these drives, I guess, or portion of drives, do actually have a Scsi ID. Right, now I've got all these drives, but I believe these are partitions, right? Because I've got a compact flash card here, so you can see it's got no disk, so that's just literally a device there. I've actually tried going into my Akai and turning off the power on the actual compact flash reader, so the problem still persists. But as you can see here, so I know it's not that causing it, so as you can see here, you know, it does read what's on the Akai, so it is making a Scsi connection. I have been able to get these files and convert them, no problems whatsoever. Right, so giving you another heads up, so you can see that the Translator is actually working. I have no problems with Translator. It's reading what I've got on the Scsi bus, no problem. Someone asked if you know, the Scsi on the Akai is terminated. Well, the Scsi lead comes out the back of my Scsi card, and then into my zip drive, which is on Scsi ID 3. And then the then the Akai is on Scsi ID 6, which is the end. Obviously, there's no terminators on the actual Akai, and I never remember having to switch on a terminator on my Akai years ago. So I believe it is actually terminated because it doesn't have any more Scsi ports on it, and it's the last thing on the device, technically speaking. Or maybe this compact flash card needs a terminator on it, right? So let me try and see what I can do here. I just want to show you what I've been doing. So I would go to Recycle. Hang on, before I do that, I remember Vibration Crew said to right click and run as administrator. So I've done that. And actually, while we're here, let's go into where this is, and let's do this compatibility mode thing as well, just to be on the safe side, right? So we go to here, and this is a tip that you guys have been giving me. Okay, service compatibility with Service Pack 2. So let's try that. Apply, because we're on Service Pack 2. Yeah. Click OK. Actually, no. What am I saying? Windows XP Service Pack 2. All right. So let's just do that anyway. All right, for now. And then run as administrator. Bosh. So then it loads up, and as you can see here, right, I can go to here. It says sampler settings. Now, if Aspi wasn't working, it would show up here. But I'm using all different Aspis because remember I'm trying different ones at the moment, right? And I go sampler settings, find all, and you'll see the sampler actually comes up. Oh, actually, didn't find it that time. All right, that's a new one. Let's see now. Sampler settings, find all. Okay, that's odd. Oh, wait a minute. No, I know what's going on. Sorry. I took out the Windows Aspi from here because I renamed it. Look, if this is the Windows Aspi. So if I go to here, rename the Windows Aspi file. Now this is one of the Aspi drivers that are in one of these folders. There's two different ones. I'll show you the two different ones, what they do, because it depending on what one you load here, you get kind of different results, which is sort of strange, right? So let's go. So now I'm going to run recycle, run as administrator. Let's go. Right, so now you're going to see that it's going to see my Akai. Right, now here we go. Don't fail me now. Find all. Right, so it goes searching, comes back, bosh. See, it finds the Akai, yeah? Scsi bus, AIC 78, whatever that means. Scsi 6, there you go. Scsi S3200 via Scsi. Right, hit that, verify, yeah, it verifies it's successful, lovely jubbly. Sampler receive, getting a communication error, which is odd, yeah? Okay, so, and the Scsi ID, local Scsi ID is on 6. So let's get rid of that. Now, let's delete, I'm not going to delete this because I don't want to lose it, right? But let's just get that and let's try another one, right, from our Scsi pile. Because this is where it reads it from. Because remember, if you change that file, right, you get a different result, right? So look, so this is the Desinet one, right? These are paid Scsi drivers, by the way, right? So, see you later, Nero. Right, so let's get that and then let's copy that again into here. Copy here. It says something about you need administration permission, but the thing is I'm running in administrator mode, yeah, just to clear that one up. Right, do that again, run as administrator. Now let's see what results we get with this one. So that's the Desinet, I believe it was Desinet, right? So let's see what the Desinet gets. So the Desinet goes there. Bosh. Now let's see what happens. Verify. So it sees it, yeah? And then we go to, let's have a look in here. See, this kind of reads, this sort of looks like it's actually reading something that makes sense. Look, host adapt on 6, Akai sorry, host adapt on 7, Akai on 6. Whatever that is, that's a US, that's like a compact flash card, and look, you can see the Desinet, Aspi, it's all there. Scsi port, whatever it's on, blah blah blah. Right, now click OK, receive from sampler, Scsi communication error. Okay, fine. So let's try the other one now. So then we get that, and I think that's exactly the same one that I've got in there currently, right? So we don't want the Desinet one. Let's try the Acronis one. Windows 32 Aspi. If someone's got like this working and they could send me the Windows 32 Aspi that they're using, maybe I could try putting it in here and see if it works. Right, so let's go again. Run as administrator, click yes. I know some techie out there thinking, what is he doing? Right, so it can't find the sampler. Look, different results now. It's removed it from the system. And now we're going to go to sampler settings again, and then we're going to go find all. And now it should come up with that sort of warning. So it's found this sampler, blah, blah, blah. This is using a different driver. Verify, click OK. Now let's see what happens. So now we go to receive. Same problem. Man, this is frustrating. I'm going to have no choice but to install Windows. Next up, on the next video, I think I'm going to try and download VMware and see how we're getting on. Guys, if you've got any suggestions, any more suggestions, I definitely want to try those out. Try the compatibility mode one more time. Let's just try that before we move on. So let's do this as compatibility for... Right, let's try that. Compatibility mode for Windows 7. Let's see what happens. Right, get rid of that. Just seems so crazy, man. Akai, I just wish you would just like come back and just get us out of this misery. There you go. Right, what happened here? Nothing. So guys, let me know. Take care. God bless. Peace.